will say that as a teacher for 30 years, I've worked hard to listen to people, to understand what it is they need, and to figure out how to get it to them. Which is, I think, why teachers make great public servants. Because we know how to work with whoever is standing right in front of us. We know how to make 1,000 good decisions very, very quickly. But we also don't put up with a lot of nonsense. I mean, that's teaching, right? As member of the teachers union, I've worked to secure better wages and benefits as well as safer working conditions for our members, which is another way of saying I know how to get people what they need. And that's the skill I plan to bring to the Minnesota Senate. Because right now, a lot of us are not getting what we need. We are teachers and nurses and builders and farmers. As Minnesotans, we believe in community and kindness. As Americans, we believe that we deserve a fair chance. But right now, at John Marshall High School, where I teach, a lot of the people that I work with are not getting that fair chance. As our wages have not kept up with inflation, as our healthcare costs have skyrocketed. These are people that did everything right. These are people that worked hard, raised a family, got degrees, showed up for our students, and now many of them cannot afford to buy a home. And that's not the job we all signed up for. We want to build a world where our children and our neighbors' children are not hungry, where we have access to the healthcare and to the schools and to the homes that we all deserve, because that's what it means to put people first. Right now, 1 in 5 children in Minnesota are hungry. 1 in 5. Our healthcare costs, some of us have seen them jump up 30% or more just in the last couple of years. Medicaid has been slashed. Social Security's next. So yeah, we've got choices to make. Big choices. Choices about how to spend our public dollars and who gets to make those decisions. That's what elections are. There are some that will tell you that in the richest country in the history of the world, in a state that is still running a budget surplus, somehow we cannot afford to both take care of our workers and feed our kids at the same time. See, that's why I wanted this job, because we know that's not true, right? But what I know is that the things that we choose to pay for represent our values as a society. I value workers. That means teachers and nurses and builders and farmers, and I also value students and their families. I believe in the value of good government. Good government can take big ideas and turn it into real help for real people. Big ideas like guaranteeing time off to take care of a sick child. Big ideas like subsidizing childcare instead of insurance companies. Big ideas like Medicaid and Social Security and clean energy need to be protected, not scrapped to pay for huge expensive tax cuts for people who do not need them. So I'm asking you to join a movement. I'm asking you to help me to put people first. And you showed up tonight, you're here. But we've got to keep showing up, because we've realized that nobody is coming to save us. We are the cavalry. And if we don't get busy building the country that we want right now, then we better get used to living in the country that they have in mind for us. And I know that we can do so much better than that, because we have big ideas. And together, we can make them happen. So thank you for coming out tonight, and thank you for your support.